my name is Rick.
My name is Amanda.
And welcome back to our kitchen. And if you're new to our channel and you want to subscribe, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell for upcoming videos.
Please do.
Today we're going to do a Mexican style pizza snack made out of keto bread and chocolate milk. Yes, you can have chocolate milk on the keto diet if you know how to do it, and I'll show you at the end how to do that. Well, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put the oven on broil high. And then you're going to get 4 slices of your keto bread.
Where do you get the keto bread at?
Well, I get it from Kroger's, and we get it in the freezer section there.
And that's the organic freezer section.
And I'm going to start with toasting them. And you can do the toast on any way. You can have it medium or you can have it really heavy. Depends on how you like your toast. The keto bread has 4 net carbs in it. It has a little elephant on it. So if you're not used to the one we're looking for, it'll say right on the keto bread anyway. And then when you smell it, it has kind of like a nutty aroma, but it tastes like, it does taste good, but it has like a fresh, just now cooked smell, but frozen. So I kind of like that, man.
Yeah, that nutty smell kind of reminds us of us, huh?
Yeah, just a little bit. Go ahead and put that on a cookie sheet, and then do your other 2. I only got a two slicer, so it takes a couple minutes.
Yeah, Santa wasn't really nice to him this year.
I know, that's all right.
But Valentine's Day's coming up, so maybe you'll get a 4-slice toaster.
That sounds nice, because I have to be in my kitchen with the slices going on.
Yes, and so do I.
Yeah, absolutely.
I cook some toast sometimes.
Yeah, I like it, especially the keto stuff. It's really cool. Okay, after you toast it, because the reason I toast it because it's frozen.
Yeah, and it has to stay frozen, right?
Yes, it does. So you're ready to use it. Okay. And then you need to get your picante sauce. That is the secret to making this taste like Mexican.
Yep.
And then I have my pizza blend shredded mozzarella with cheddar cheese. And then I have my pepperoni. These 2 right here don't have any carbs. I made sure of that.
I use the turkey pepperonis when I make my pizza.
The only way this would be a carb on the cheese would be if I use over a 1/4 cup or more. But I think that's going to, I guess we could say 1 carb, so that's a 0.25 for each one, if you want to do that. And anyway, we're going to start with the picante sauce.
How much?
Oh, enough to cover it up.
Okay. And he's using the mild. You can use whichever.
Yeah, whatever one you like. You can put a lot on there, just cover it. I just cover it, but you can put a whole bunch of mess and let it boil over if you want. It's going to be a messy mess either way, because it's
pizza.
It's pizza. Yeah. Oh, you're going to love the taste of this stuff.
See, you can have pizza on a keto diet.
Yes, you can.
Or you can have pizza on a 1,500 calorie diet too.
Absolutely.
We like to make ours homemade.
Oh yeah, everything's homemade. That way we don't have all those carbs and all that sugar in it. I just don't like, I'm telling you, the diet works so wonderful if you keep those carbs below 20 and you keep your sugar almost to 0. Sometimes you just can't do that on. And then I'm going to put on the blend, the cheese blend. You put as much as you want. You can overflow it if you want. But I do enough where it's about just enough to cover so I don't get hardly any carbs on it.
Man, I could just eat that right now. I'm hungry.
I know, this is some good stuff. You guys are going to love this too. If you like Mexican food, this will hit it right on the nose.
I like Mexican.
You can even make it even spicier or ongoing with, get some Mexican cheese too. That stuff is really good. That stuff only has 1 carb per 1/4 cup. So you'll be able to do this with one, it'll be like the same thing again.
Yeah, they also have a queso cheese, and that is good.
That's the one that Amanda uses.
Yes, I do.
I kind of steal it when she's not looking too, just to have a little snack.
I know he steals it. It's okay. We share our munchies.
Yes, we do. We do. And then on pepperoni, you want to put 4 slices of your pepperoni on it.
Yep.
Here we go.
I would put turkey pepperoni.
I used just the regular pepperoni because it's high in fat.
Yeah.
The difference between me and her diet, if we were to do this, hers is just a lower fat. Mine's like in the hundreds, 100-gram area on a meal. Hers is more like a 40 to 60 gram on her meal. So actually, hers is basically just like a low carb. And mine's a keto, which is even lower carb, which you all know. And if you don't know, that low carb is like 100 grams of fat or less. Or actually, I said that wrong. I meant carbs, you guys. And we're missing one.
You're missing one.
Uh-oh. She caught me missing one. I wanted to eat that. That's why. I got caught. I can't eat it. I guess I could.
Yum, yum.
I eat when I could.
Yes. Every good cook always tastes their food, is what I was told by my grandmother.
And push it toward the middle a little bit so when they stick. So go ahead
Time.
and put it in your broiler. 30 seconds to a minute. And what y'all been waiting for? Wondering how I make chocolate milk on the keto diet. They have almond milk with unsweetened chocolate mixed at the store.
Where do you get that at?
The same place, Mr. Kroger's.
Woo-hoo.
I couldn't find it anywhere. I didn't even know about it recently until now. Now I love it and I buy it. And I wanted to show you guys that you can get it at Kroger's. It's 2 carbs for a cup. And this is about 1.5 cups right here. So you're going to go with 3 carbs for your cup. Actually 1.5 cups, I'm sorry. And I still use my Mr. Stevia. Good stuff.
I would have vanilla or strawberry.
This has a vanilla taste to it once you put in the stevia.
I
Actually,
wonder if they have strawberry.
I don't know. I haven't. Well, that's what we're going to check out.
Ooh,
next
or
time.
coconut.
Oh, they do have coconut. I already know they have that. If you like coconut,
How many stevia packs do you put
I
in
just
there?
use 2. You don't need any more than 2. It tastes just like chocolate milk that you get from anywhere, but you don't have all the calories. You don't have all the sugar. You don't have all the fats. This here only has. No, it actually don't. It only has like. What was it? What is it? Excuse me. You get 3 grams of fat for each one, and like I said, 2 grams of carbs.
How many calories per cup?
Oh, you want to know that, huh?
Yeah.
Let's find out. It's 40, so this is 60 calories for this right here.
That's not bad at all.
No, it ain't if you're on that kind of diet, which Amanda is.
Yes. I look at every calorie.
So if you were to follow her and do her diet, you're actually doing just a low carb diet, basically, and you can have just about anything you want in hers.
But you have to exercise.
Chocolate milk at its best. And here comes.
Ooh, we get to see what it looks like. Reveal time of the
hear it.
keto bread Mexican pizza. Look at that. That looks good. That looks really good.
Woo.
Don't you want a plate?
Yeah, probably. I'm just moving around. You see how quick that cooks? And how easy that was to make and how quick we made it? Ah. Dum, 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 dum. Oh, put that over here. Dum, 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 dum. Oh, my God.
You can have this on Super Bowl Sunday also.
Oh, absolutely.
Or any football game. Yummy. Test time.
Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Here we go.
I would let it cool down just a second though.
Slightly crunchy. You could taste the Mexican style cheese taste in there.
Mm-hmm.
Absolutely perfect. You gotta try it. And it goes really good with chocolate milk. Is the reason why I chose just chocolate milk today. Wow, that was good. Well, thank you all for coming back to our kitchen and coming back to see us again. And peace out.
Peace out.
Take care. Bye.